Hello, here's a video of the display now showing trip meter and odometer. When you power on the bike, it goes to the standard odometer, which has always been the only thing that displayed. Now, it shows odometer until you twist the throttle. So here we go. So there you see odometer. Now watch, all I'm gonna do, and I have the kickstand down, so it's not the act of motion, it's just twisting the throttle. See how it changed? Now if I put it in park, which I can't do here, let me stand the bike up and kick there. So kickstand's up. If I put it in park, there's odometer. If I put it in gear, there. See, it goes to trip. Now I can cycle through, and I went into park because I was sitting still. But, now watch. I'm gonna hold the brake. I'm sorry, I went into odometer because I was in park. Now, doing that, so I'll send it back to park, and see, I can roll back and forth on the bike with my legs. I can just roll the bike, nothing happens. But just the slightest twist, I'm gonna see if I can show you. Just the slightest twist. Sorry, it's still in park. So it's not even, I don't know that it's even the twist, that's just when I notice it, but the minute it goes into gear, it goes into trip.